My dear students, how are you all? I hope you will find and I welcome you to the science class for class 6th. And today we are going to learn the remaining thing that we left in the previous class. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So in previous class we learned about the food group and the type of nutrients. Okay, the type of nutrients, and then the balanced diet and the water. Okay, role of water. Okay, yes. uh, Today we will study about a disease. Okay, today uh, okay, disease and its type. Okay, its type: communicable, non-communicable, then prevention, then hygiene, exercise, rest, all these things. Okay, yes. So what is disease? What is disease? So disease is a condition. Disease is a condition where your body do not work properly, where your body has some problem. There is some problem in your body, in your body, any body part. Okay, like in stomach, you have a stomach pain, or some you have a fever. Okay, or cold or cough. All these things are the disease. Okay, yes, there are some diseases which are very serious. There are some diseases which are common, which are not dangerous. Okay, yes. So this disease can be categorized into कम्युनिकेबल एंड नॉन कम्युनिकेबल. ठीक है, यस. डिजीज़ क्या होगी? जो भी हमारी बॉडी अच्छे से काम नहीं करती है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है हमारी बॉडी में, तो हम उसको बोलेंगे कि हमें डिजीज़ है, या जिसको भी हुआ है उसको बोलेंगे उसको डिजीज़ हो गया है. ओके, हाँ. अब ये डिजीज़ की जो टू टाइप है, एक कम्युनिकेबल है, एक नॉन कम्युनिकेबल है. ओके, व्हाट हैपन इन कम्युनिकेबल? कम्युनिकेबल मीन्स व्हेन अ डिजीज़ फ्रॉम अ इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन स्प्रेड टू द हेल्दी पर्सन. ओके, जब कोई बीमारी, कोई रोग किसी एक पर्सन को हो गई है और उससे फिर दूसरे पर्सन को जब स्प्रेड हो जाती है, या एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन को होने लगती है, तो उसको बोलते हैं कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज़. ओके, यस. नॉन कम्युनिकेबल में ऐसा नहीं होता है. जैसे अगर आपको स्टमक पेन है, तो आपको फ्रेंड को स्टमक पेन, अगर आप इसके साथ खेलते हैं, इसके साथ रहते हैं, तो आपके फ्रेंड को स्टमक पेन नहीं होगा. ओके, बट इफ़ यू आर हैविंग कोल्ड, ओके, अगर आपको जुकाम हो गया तो आपके फ्रेंड के साथ खेलेंगे तो आपके फ्रेंड को भी कोल्ड हो जाएगा. ओके, यस. सो नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज़. नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज़ that do not spread from a sick person to a healthy person. That do not spread from a sick person. This is sick person and this is healthy person. Okay, so it do not spread from a sick person to healthy person. It do not spread. Okay, yes. Then why it is caused? How it is caused? It is caused by the presence of harmful chemicals in your food. Okay, in your food, in your water, in your air. Okay, there is so much pollution in your air, there is so much pollution in your water, and many times you find chemicals in your food. So when you eat the unhealthy food, water, and this air, then you may fall sick. Okay, yes. Then malnutrition of okay, malfunctioning of body part. व्हाट यू मीन बाय मॉल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट? अगर आपके बॉडी का कोई पार्ट है जो अच्छे से काम नहीं कर रहा है, तो उसको बोलेंगे माल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट. जैसे अगर आप किसी का आई प्रॉपर, किसी की आई प्रॉपर काम नहीं करे, मतलब कि वो अच्छे से नहीं देख पा रहा है, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे कि वो डिजीज़ है एक तरीके. ठीक है, तो ये एक तरह का बॉडी पार्ट है जो कि अच्छे से काम नहीं कर रहा है. मान लो किसी का लीवर अच्छे से काम नहीं कर रहा है, किसी का हार्ट अच्छे से नहीं काम कर रहा है. ठीक है, ये सो लेकिन और जब ये अच्छे से क्यों काम नहीं करते? क्योंकि जब इनको अच्छे से डाइट नहीं मिलता है, न्यूट्रिशन नहीं मिलता है, हम लोग अच्छे से विटामिन प्रोटीन सब नहीं खाते हैं, तो इस ये प्रॉब्लम होती है. ओके, यस. देन नेक्स्ट इज मॉल न्यूट्रिशन. जब भी आपके डाइट में, जब हम खाना खाते हैं, वो डाइट में अगर प्रोटीन और कार्बोहाइड्रेट नहीं होता है उतने अमाउंट में, तो उसको बोलते हैं मॉल न्यूट्रिशन. ओके, और जो भी मॉल न्यूट्रिशन होता है वो काफ़ी पतला पर्सन होता है, काफ़ी पतला बॉय होता है. ओके, उसकी बेली जो है वो बढ़ जाती है, लेकिन उसके जो हाथ है, जो मसल्स है, जो पैर है, ओके, वो पतले पतले रहते हैं. ठीक है. Then lack of vitamins and minerals. So when you have when a person has when a person is having no vitamins and mineral in his diet, okay, so he will suffer from this lack of vitamins and minerals. This is called the deficiency disease, DFICIENC, सॉरी, डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज, ओके। अगर विटामिन मिनरल उसके फूड में नहीं है तो उसको बोलेंगे डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज, ओके, यस। ओके, सो यहाँ पे कुछ विटामिन्स और मिनरल्स की वजह से जो मतलब डिफिशियंसी डिजीज है वो दिया है, ठीक है। Here are some given deficiency disease like if a person is not having vitamin A in his body, then he will suffer from loss of vision, okay, means he will not be able to see the things properly. If a person is not having vitamin B1 in his body, so he will suffer from beriberi. What is beriberi? That means weak muscles, okay, and no energy, very low energy, okay, yes. Then if a person is having low or no vitamin C, then he will suffer from scurvy. What is scurvy? How you will know that you have scurvy? If bleeding gums, it shows bleeding gums, and this longer, okay, wound take if you got any injury, if you got any cut or any damage in your body, it will take too much time to repair it, okay, yes. Then vitamin D agar nahi hai, then it will cause rickets, okay. What you mean by rickets? It means the bones become soft and bent, okay, your bones are not become weak, okay, yes. Then calcium is good for bones and tooth, okay. So if calcium will not be present in a person's body, okay, in adequate amount, so he will suffer from weak bone, okay. Then if a person is not having iodine, then he will suffer from goiter. What is goiter? It is a type of disease with when a person neck it got swollen, okay, यहाँ पे swelling हो जाती है, okay. So gland in the neck appears swollen, okay, yes. Then iron, if a person is not having iron in his body, if he is not taking iron properly in his food, so he will suffer from anemia, means weakness, okay, yes. Then next is a communicable disease. So communicable disease means when a disease spread from one person to other person, okay. How it will spread? When the suppose he is a boy A and he is a boy B, so when they will they will come together, so they will shake their hand, or they will play with them, okay, play with together. And suppose this boy will sneeze or spit somewhere, so that droplets इसके ब्रीदिंग के थ्रू इसके बॉडी के अंदर जाएगा, और फिर ही विल बिकम इन्फेक्टेड, ओके, यस. So that is how this it spread, okay, yes. So the communicable disease are a disease that spread from a sick person to a healthy person, okay, yes. How it is caused? It is caused by direct contact with a sick person, okay. Suppose this is a sick person, okay, it is shaking his hand with another person who is healthy, okay. So this person will got this person will also be sick, okay, because the virus and bacteria will enter from this person to this person. Then eating infected food, okay. So suppose your food you have kept your food at your home and it is not covered, so what will happen? The flies, okay, the flies will come, the flies will come and sit on it, okay, and they will deposit some germs, okay, and then when you will eat this food, so you will become sick, okay, yes. Then drinking infected water, okay. So sometime if water has been kept for a long time, or if a person is drinking water from well, okay, so there may be some bacteria or germs, okay, and when we will drink it, okay, he will get infected, okay, yes. Then infected mosquito, so bite of infected mosquito, if a person okay, when this mosquito bite someone person, okay, so he may be he causes the malaria, okay. There are some पैरासाइट, ओके, कुछ पैरासाइट होते हैं जो इनके बॉडी में होते हैं और ये एक जगह से दूसरी जगह स्प्रेड करते हैं. सपोज किसी एक पर्सन को मलेरिया हुआ है, ओके, मलेरिया okay. Then when this insect will bite him, so the virus, the parasite will enter into the mosquito's body, okay. And then when this mosquito will bite another person who is healthy, so this bacteria, the parasite, will enter in his body, okay, and he will become sick, okay. Yes. Then these communicable disease are spread by some germs, okay. So germs are those microorganism, जो भी छोटे छोटे चीज जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है जिनकी वजह से डिजीज होता है उनको बोलते हैं जर्म्स, ओके. लेकिन ये जर्म्स को भी अलग अलग कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया, जैसे कि यू कॉल यू हैव बुक्स, ओके, but you have separate books for English, books for history, books for science, okay. So similarly you have germs, okay. And then these germs are categorized into virus. These are the virus, and these are the bacteria, these are the protozoa, then these are the fungi, okay. So these are the microorganism or the germs which cause disease, which spread the disease, okay. Yes. So you can see here these are the viruses, these are the type of viruses. Now there are many type of viruses, then many type of bacteria, then many type of protozoa, then many type of this fungi, okay. So they spread the disease, okay. Yes. Then so there are some disease name given here, how they are spread, like a TB, which you may have heard. TB or tuberculosis, it is caused by bacteria and it is spread from air, okay. Then measles, it is caused by virus and it also spread from air. Then chickenpox, it is caused by virus and it spread by contact and with the help of air, okay. Then polio, it is caused by virus, okay. You must have seen polio drop, okay. So this polio is a type of disease in which is caused by virus, okay, and it is spread from air and water, okay. Yes. Then cholera, then here you have a typhoid, okay. Then hepatitis, then malaria. Yes, malaria is caused by protozoa, and how this is the name of disease, and how disease is spread. It is spread by mosquito, okay. Yes. Then you have prevention of communicable disease, how we can prevent it, okay. हम इसको कैसे रोक सकते हैं, okay. communicable disease जो एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन को हो जाता है, उसको कैसे रोक सकते हैं, उसको कैसे रोक सकते हैं, okay. Yes. So keeping the surrounding clean, okay, keeping the surrounding clean. So all the places surrounding your house, home, you should keep it clean, okay. So you can prevent this disease. Maintaining personal hygiene, like washing your hand every time, okay, and taking bath every day, okay, and keeping eating healthy food, drinking healthy water, okay. So all these things you can prevent this disease, okay. Yes. Then keeping the sick person in isolation. What is mean by isolation? If a person is got infected, do not allow to him to roam here and there, okay. Allow him to sit at one place, okay, and do not allow other person to meet him, okay. इसको अलग अलग के अकेले में ही इसको रखना है, ओके, जब तक ये ठीक नहीं हो जाता, ठीक है. दैट इज कॉल्ड आइसोलेशन. Then clean food and clean water, okay. So you should drink clean water, you should eat clean food, okay, so that you will not get sick, okay. Then allowing fresh and sunlight to into your houses, okay. So you must have a door, and you should open your door and windows so that the rays sunlight come into your house, okay, and you will the germs present in your house, that will be killed, okay. Yes. The next is vaccinating yourself. What is vaccinating yourself? Vaccinating yourself means there are some dead virus and bacteria which are इंजेक्टेड इन योर बॉडी, ओके। डेड वायरस और बैक्टीरिया होते हैं जिनको आपके बॉडी में इंजेक्शन के थ्रू डाला जाता है और आपके बॉडी को ट्रेन किया जाता है उससे लड़ने के लिए, ओके। एंड टू इम्प्रूव योर immune system, to train your body how to fight with this disease, how to fight with this bacteria and viruses, that is called vaccination, okay, yes। just like आपका टेस्ट लिया जाता है, ओके। टेस्ट जो होता है वो रियल एग्ज़ाम नहीं होता है, लेकिन आपको प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, रियल एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करने के लिए आपको टेस्ट लिया जाता है क्लास में, ठीक है। सो वैसे ही जो एक्चुअल डिजीज़ होने के पहले हमारी बॉडी को ट्रेन किया जाता है उससे लड़ने के लिए, ओके। कैसे होता है ये? वैक्सीनेशन से होता है, ठीक है, यस। देन नेक्स्ट थिंग इज hygiene. So hygiene is a set of practice, okay, it is a practice to help to ensure cleanliness and good health. So how you can keep hygiene? So you should take everyday bath, you should wash your hand after going toilet, after going washroom, okay. Then you should clean your teeth, your nose, your ear, your eyes and your ears, okay, yes, you should clean everything, okay, yes. Then exercise. So exercise plays very important role, okay, yes. It make you strong, okay. It improve blood circulation, it build stamina, it keep your body healthy, okay. So to remain healthy, to remain fit, you should do exercise, okay. What kind of exercise? You can run, you can you can play outdoor games, you can bicycle, you can swim, okay. Then you can do jogging, okay, yes. So after that your body when you play, when you do your work, when you go to school and come to home, your body get tired, so you need to take rest, okay. You need to take rest, that is very important, okay. And when you take rest, it give you a fresh mind, okay. Fresh mind, okay. Fresh and relaxed body, your body get energy, your body become relax, okay, yes. So that you can do other work properly, okay. और जब आपकी बॉडी आराम कर लेती है फिर आप अच्छे से काम कोई कर सकते हैं, ओके, यस। देन पोस्चर इज अ पोजिशन ऑफ योर बॉडी, आपकी बॉडी की पोजिशन को ही पोस्चर बोलते हैं, मतलब कि आप खड़े कैसे हो रहे हैं, बैठते कैसे हैं, चलते कैसे हैं, ओके। सो टू मेंटेन अ गुड पोस्चर you should always keep straight your back, okay, back, you should keep your back straight, okay, yes. So that is the posture. When you are standing, when you are sitting, when you are walking, you should keep your back straight, okay, yes. That's all, yes. So that's all for today. Here you have some question, try to answer it, like what is communicable disease? So communicable disease are those disease which spread from one person to another person, okay, from a sick person to a healthy person, okay, which spread, and which do not spread, that is called the non communicable disease. Then how you can maintain good hygiene, okay. So you can maintain good hygiene by taking bath every day, by washing your hand, by cleaning your eyes, nose, teeth, okay, yes. Then what benefit do we get from exercise? To so we remain healthy, okay, our body remain healthy, we become, our muscle become strong, okay, yes. All these things, blood circulation, okay, yes. Then improve in stamina, okay. Then why should you take rest? So you should take rest to relax your body, to freshen your mind, okay, yes, to feel fresh, okay, yes. All these things. So thank you so much, take care, bye bye. If you have any doubt, please ask, yes. So bye bye and keep studying.